So I used an analogous color scheme to create this infographic, which means 3 colors that are next to each other on the color wheel. So I used this dark blue right here for titles and parts of my graphs, and then this medium green color for captions, and then this brighter turquoise color for other parts of the graphs and numbers and little accents like that. And I chose these colors because blues and greens are typically kind of earth nature colors, like, grass, water, the sky, and also the colors typically used on a globe. So I thought this was appropriate for an infographic about being environmentally conscious. I even use these colors to recolor the little hamburger icons you see here that represent an amount of beef per person consumed every year. And the proximity principle of design states that if you put information that goes together near each other, like I have here, then the viewer will kind of view those as parts of one whole. That's why I have these 4 boxes in my infographic, and each one is about one topic. So this one has a title, a visual, and a caption, all about one thing. And then this one has, a visual, a title, a caption, all about one thing, etc., etc. So that makes it so the audience will see these as 4 distinct topics. And I used the principle of visual hierarchy, which suggests that you should have the viewer focus on the most important thing first by putting the most impactful way to be environmentally conscious on top, and then it goes down from there. Although those are all fairly the same amount of impactful, this top one is just slightly more impactful. And then I use the principle of vertical alignment to draw the audience's eye downwards. And here's my isotype. It's these little burgers, like which I mentioned each represent an amount of beef consumed. Here is my pie chart, which represents the amount of plastic that goes to landfills or is recycled. Here's my bar chart, which represents the amount of pollution that is created by individuals versus the amount that's created by industries. And here's my visualized number. Thanks for listening. If you have any questions, let me know.